showing two Gen 2 Hayabusas, one of the greatest bikes that have hit the motorcycle industry. But one thing that everybody likes to change is the mud flap in the back. So you'll see this bike has the OEM mud flap, now bolts to the back, has the license plate light, and covers the back wheel. Well, a lot of people try to make it look good without removing it, such as this gentleman who he just kind of hacked it up on the side to make it a little smaller because of the 240 conversion and the slight extension. They want a clean new look, so we have came out with exactly that. Here we have it installed, gloss black. Here you can use your factory mount to put your plate there if you desire, but we definitely like it without it. The choice is yours.